friends, welcome back to Etech, and if you have not subscribed our channel, then subscribe it and press the bell icon. And today we are going to see the new operative of this machine, which is pedal operated grinding machine, water pumping machine, as well as it can also perform drilling operation. And there is a power output dynamo, which is a 12 volt DC electric motor here. So there are a combo machine which is operated by the pedal. So friends, be with me and watch how to make and the full video of this project. So this is the 12 volt DC dynamo, and here it is the water pump, and apart from that it is operated with the pedal. We also have implanted a drilling machine over here, and moreover on the opposite side it is a grinding machine. So friends, be with me and subscribe our channel. So friends, let's talk about the parts. The parts we require is the water pump, and in the water pump and in all other parts you have to make the coupling which is connected to the shaft. If it is a drill machine, it is a grinding machine, water pump or any other thing, but you need a coupling connection which is connected to the shaft, and you can easily remove it. If you want to operate a 4 machine at a time, then you can also operate it, or you can also perform a single operation, then you can also perform it. And here are some built-in pulley system. We have used 9-inch pulley and 2-inch pulley. Moreover, we have used shaft which is 20 mm diameter, and according to that we have used P204 bearing, which is a pedestal type bearing. It is a bearing under the block house, so it is called the pedestal block bearing. And here are the some components which might be helpful to you. And this is the our structure. In this structure we will attach the pedal over the main driving pulley, and all other are the driven pulleys. So the main thing about the structure, it is we have to improve its pedal with the gear ratio. Since we are using pulley, so we have used 9-inch pulley to 2-inch pulley, so it will increase the gear ratio or the speed ratio around 4.5 times. So the main objective of this project is you can only pedal, and then you can easily water pump or easily pumping the water, as well as you can perform multiple operations. So this is the concept machine, and which is a perfectly running machine. So we have used some bicycle parts. We have used pedal, we have used a seat. So these kind of parts we have used here, and we perform a cutting operation and we fix it with our structure. So friends, if you are going to plan to make this machine, then this video may be helpful to you. And this is also a very good engineering project, so it might be helpful. As well as if you are doing gym, then it will also helpful to you. You can spend your time on this bicycle, and you can also perform various operations like pumping of the water, as well as you can also attach battery to the dynamometer, which will also charge your mobile or save the electricity in the battery. So without wasting energy into gym, you can also use your energy and make it useful, and make it some also means you can also perform some operations here. So friends, this is the main welding structure and pedal type. We can also use a chain and sprocket mechanism. Chain and sprocket mechanism, it is a positive drive. However, our belt mechanism is non-positive, but the advantage of the belt over the chain sprocket is we can adjust. So we can easily move that pulley direction, or we can easily move, or we can easily adjust the belt. While in chain, the belt or the chain will not adjust, you have to keep the center as it is. So if you want to modify the machine, then it will be not easy into the chain mechanism. While in belt and pulley mechanism, we can slightly change the center because there is no fear to, however the teeth will not engage with the chain. So in the, I think belt and pulley mechanism is more effective in this kind of project. So we have used a bicycle, as you can see here, and put at its seat over here, and according to height you can also adjust the seat, as well as we also provide a back support, so it will be helpful when you are pedaling the structure. Friends, this is just a demo type. This is not a regular product, but you can order us. You will find the description below the video. And friends, if you like the video, then press the subscribe button and subscribe our channel. So here we provide some support, so it will hold the situation and it will take our weight. Friends, it is very time consuming to build up this machine, so if you are planning to make it, then you need to make a proper design. We have used 3-step design, and it is as shown in this video. It is completely finally done. We have put some extra handlebar here, so when you are sitting and doing that operation, it will helpful. Here is the 2-inch pulley between the 9-inch pulley. It is transmitted that to two different shaft, so only one is driven and two is driver. So with help of pedal we can transmit our motion to these two different shafts. However, you can also perform a single operation if you want to only pumping the water, or drive the grinding machine, or drive the drilling machine, or you can only simply use it for charging of your mobile, then also you can use it. As you can see here, it is very easy to run. As you can see here, we drive two operations. Here is the 12-volt DC dynamometer along with the water pump, and you can also perform another two operations at the simultaneously. So this machine is very helpful. If you want to only run another two, then you need to remove this belt and you have to use this belt in another shaft number 2, and the shaft number 2 is connected with the drilling as well as the grinding machine, so you can perform some grinding as well as the drilling operation over here. So we have used a manual drilling machine. You can also use it with the bevel gear, and it will be also helpful. So it is very useful machine, and you can spend as much as time as you want, and you lose your weight and gain some work output. So this is the demonstration for the drilling operation. As you can see here, it can drill in the wooden. Because it is pedal operated, you cannot drill into the metal. However, if you are giving power only to drilling machine rather than operating other three, then you can also drill the metal. So we have used a small drilling machine with manual type. If you are using a bevel gear system, then you may be drill into the metal. And here is the grinding operation. In the grinding operation, you can see here it gives clearly sparks, so easily you can sharpening the material or you can grind the material. So friends, this is very helpful, and this is our pumping operation. As you can see here, the speed of the output of the water, as you fast drive, then the pumping will be more effective. So friends, this is it. If you like the video, press the below icon and subscribe our channel. You can also comment it and you can share with your friends. Thank you.